So hello guys, today we are going to discuss about the elements. So elements are those text between start tag or end tag as displaying on your screen. The text between the tags is called the element. So every element is differ from other elements and they perform their own function. As let example, letter H is used for heading. Anything we type between the tags of heading is called the element, or by using this tag we will get heading 1. Now we will move to the next tag, which starts from letter P and used for paragraph. Anything we type between these tags we will get it in form of paragraph as an element, as you can see here in form of pics displaying on screen. P with angle brackets is a start tag for paragraph, and same as with forward slash is close tag for paragraph. As I told you, anything written between the tags is called the element, so the content is written between the body tags excluding tags is called the element, as here you can see on your screen. So as I told you, what are the elements or what are the tags? As you can see here, the whole structure on your screen, H1 used for heading 1 and P is used for the paragraph, or anything between these tags or body tags called the element. Now I am showing you in a practical way how it works. So first of all, you have to go to Visual Studio Code or open the file index.html. I told you in my old videos how to create it. So after opening, hold Shift press 1, so you will get the exclamation mark. After pressing enter you will get the whole structure of HTML here. So what we are going to do first of all, create a heading for our web page. So for this we will type H and press enter, so we will get syntax for H1 called heading 1. Anything we type between this syntax get as a first heading on our web page. As I am writing my book here in capital letters, or after doing that I will save it or refresh my web page. So here you can see I got my first heading. Now we will use H2 for heading 2, or I am typing now collection of books. After saving we refresh here, so you see changes are created, we get it as a heading 2. So as here you can see H1 and H2 are the tags and the content written between this is the element, like here my books or collection of my books are the elements. Now we will use letter P for the paragraph. I have paragraph related to the books copied on my clipboard, so I can paste it here between the paragraph syntax and watch it on a web page after refreshing. So here we got that paragraph, and this paragraph is the element, and P or /P are the tags. HTML elements with no content is called the empty element. Here I am going to give you the example by using BR tag, which is used to break the line or move to the next line, and it works without a close sign. So here after using this tag you can see the results. So here after using this tag you can see the results. So the content between the body tags is the element excluding tags, and it is displaying on web page. So this is the basic info about the elements I shared with you. Hope you enjoyed. Kindly like, share and subscribe.